Die Lesotho Hoogland waterskema is van kardinale belang vir die ekonomiese hart van Suid-Afrika.
It gives us about 27% of the total volume for the integrated Vaal River system that we require. Primarily for the economic hub of the country, which is Gauteng, as well as obviously the industries, your Sasol, your Eskom, your mining, as well as your agriculture along the way.
Die departement sê dis noodsaaklik dat die instandhoudingswerk gedoen word.
From the 1st of October to the 30th of November, there will be a shutdown of the tunnel, implying that there will not be any flow of water from Lesotho through to South Africa for that period of time, because our technicians will be looking at whether the tunnel is still in good order.
Ritao sê geen waterbeperkings word in hierdie stadium beplan nie.
The amount of water that would have come through for the 2 months is then pushed through even earlier into the integrated Vaal River system. At the moment, we do not even have to have water restrictions on the system in order to be able to continue having water.
Watergehalte is 'n groot bron van kommer weens die besoedeling van die Vaalrivier, maar die departement glo nie dit sal die beskikbaarheid van water in Gauteng oor die volgende 2 maande beïnvloed nie. Gerard Pretorius, 1 Nuus, Pretoria.